This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Shekayla Parson. Beautifully renovated luxury rental with modern finishes. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, brand new bathroom with an updated modern appeal. New washer and dryer and on-site laundry room. Just a few minutes from Fort Lauderdale Beach, the Las Olas Strip with all of the world-famous restaurants, bars and shops. Private apartment with a private entrance located in a 4-unit multi-family building. The building is one-leveled, with easy access and noise resistance. Spacious backyard with lounge area. Dedicated parking space. Water included with rent. Unit number 2 has a furnished, $2,250 per month, and unfurnished, $2,100, rental option. Unit number 1 is the showing unit for number 2, as they are the same, while unit number 1 is currently vacant. For more information, review the details below or contact Shekayla Parson at 954-613-7131.